Hello guys, and welcome to this new Tableau tutorial. In this video, I'm going to create this Olympics dashboard using the Olympics dataset that we will download on Kaggle. As you can see, I'm going to create different charts. So I'm going to start by creating line charts. So we have two line charts, one for male versus female participation over years, another one for total athletes by year and season. Then we have two bar charts for top 10 countries with total medals and top 10 sports by total medals. We have a scatter plot where we are going to show the relationship or the correlation between the weight and the height. Then we have three histograms. So we have age distribution, weight distribution, height distribution, and also I'm going to import the logo. So you can find this link in the description to download directly the dataset from Kaggle. And as you can see, it contains 120 years of Olympic history, athletes, and results. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to import the text file. So click on text file. Once you import the text file, you can see the different features or the different columns. So we have the ID, we have the name of the athletes, we have also the sex, we have female or male, we have the age, the height, and the weight, we have the team or the country, we have the different games. So we have in the summer or in the winter, we have the year, we have the season, the city, the sport, the event, and also the medal. So if we have an A, it means the athlete, he didn't win or she didn't win a medal, or if we have bronze, gold, and silver. To create our charts, we click on sheet 1. First thing we need to do is we click on format, workbook. So we start with the worksheet, we put them 8 in black. We put the titles in 10, bold black. So we remove the grid lines, the zero lines, and the axis rulers. Okay. Now the first chart, it will be the male versus female participation over years. So the age we convert it to number. Same thing for the weight. Same thing for the height. And all of them, they will be measures. So convert to measure, convert to measure, and the weight convert to measure. Okay. So here we have the year into the columns, and we have the count distinct of the ID. So we select count distinct, and in the colors we are going to put the 6. Okay, so we have female and we have male. Now we need to name the sheet male versus female participation over years, right? Okay. Next we need to format. So basically for the border we put everything in black. Okay. Now we said it will be black bold. So remove the title in here. Same thing in here. And for the title, same thing, format, to put the border in black, double click in the center, apply, okay. Okay, so like that we have our first line chart. The second one, it will be total athletes by year and season. So duplicate this one, remove everything. So we have the year, we have the count distinct, measure count distinct, and here we have the season into the color. So we have the winter and we have the summer. Okay, same thing, we just need to remove the titles. Here we have total athletes by year and season. Okay, next we have the bar chart. So the first one will be top 10 countries with total medals. Duplicate, top 10 entries with total middles. Okay, so we remove everything. First, we put the middle into the filters. So we select bronze, gold, and silver. Apply. Okay. Then we have an OC into the rows, and then we have the count of the middles into the columns. We sort that. Right click. So we hide the field. Here we format alignment in the center. This one we hide it. We press Ctrl key. We select the 10 first ones. Okay. Keep only. Entire view. We press Ctrl key. We drag and drop the count into the label. Okay. So here we have the top 10 entries with total medals. Next one, it will be top 10 sports by total medals. Same thing. So just duplicate this one. Top 10. So this is by, so top 10 sports by total medals. Okay, so here remove the country. Remove the country. Here we have the sport. So same thing, we drag and drop, or we press Ctrl key, drag and drop the sport into the filters. Top by field, top 10, apply. Okay. Same thing, right click here, format the alignment in the center. Okay, so like that we have top 10 sports by total medals. Next we have the weight and height correlation. So duplicate this one. Remove everything. So select weight and height correlation. Okay, so we put the height into the rows and the weight into the columns. So basically here we select dimension, here we select dimension, and we get automatically scatter plot. We can also, if we want like the height would be in the rows, we just reverse that. We remove this one, we remove this one. For the shape we select filled circles. Okay, so like that we have the weight and height correlation. Next we have the distributions or the histograms. So we duplicate this one. Here we have age distribution for the winners or for the ones who have either gold, silver, or bronze medals. Okay, so here we remove everything from filters, we remove everything in here. So here we select all of them except an A, apply OK. For age, we click on show me, double click, and we get histogram. Same thing, we can press Ctrl key and we drag and drop the middle into the color. And like that, we get our distribution. We just need to move bin. Same thing here, we remove the title. Okay, and we remove the null values. Okay, next one it will be alright. So we remove everything, same thing. We just keep the filter for the middle. Click on weight, show me, double click, and we get the histogram. So press Ctrl key, we drag and drop the middle into the color. Same thing, we remove the title. Same thing in here, also we remove the title. For the age also we can remove age completely. Okay, duplicate. So the last one it will be the height. Here we remove the null values. Okay. For the height, remove everything. Click on height. Double click on histogram. Or press Ctrl key, which drag and drop the middle into the color. So here, if we show the filter, we have bronze, gold, or silver. Okay, so hide card, filter data. Same thing here, remove the title. And here also we remove the title. And here, for example, for the bins, when you click on height, edit, for example, the size of the bin, we can put 5. Okay, same thing for the weight. So go to weight, let's say edit, same thing if we want to put, for example, 10. Okay, same thing for the age. Go to age, edit, and here we can put 5. Okay, so like that we have all our charts. Next we need to create our dashboard. Click on new dashboard, automatic, and now we just need to drag and drop the different charts into our dashboard. So start with the line charts. Okay, and the second one here. Then we have top 10 countries here. Or we start with distributions. So we have the age distribution, the weight distribution, and the height distribution. Then we have top 10 countries in here, top 10 sports in here. We have the scatter plot in here, and we double click on image. Same thing, we can find the link in description to download the logo directly. So click on choose, fit and center, apply. Okay, and we put it in the center like that. All right, now put this one floating. Same thing for this one, floating. So the middles, put them here. These 6, we put it in here. And same thing for the season. Close this one. And like that, we get exactly the same dashboard. So if we put it in the presentation mode, we get exactly the same dashboard. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.